Here we have Tyres Online coming to fix Mummy's car because she needs new tyres. So I booked online, typed in what type of car we got, moved my car into visitor space, and then the guy turned up this morning to change Mummy's car tyres. Checking the wheel balancing as well in his van. Complete one-stop shop. Tyre number 1 done. 1 down, 3 to go. Took about 7 minutes. Three down, 1 to go. Last one coming up now. It's the last one. Chuck it in the van. Finished. Right, so what we're doing now, tightening up the tyres. Job done. That took about 35 minutes all told. That's with him driving up and everything. All good. Thank you, Mr. Tyres Online.
So ayan guys,